is what we call the Joada's version of steam. Steam lapu-lapu. Chef Joada is using the new version how to cook the steam lapu-lapu with native style. And with banana leaves. But the flavor is very yummy and delicious. You don't laugh. Okay?
Okay na.
This is what we call, don't forget, Joada's version of steam lapu-lapu. Okay, I'm preparing the sauce of our steam lapu-lapu. The secret is very easy, not so expensive, very affordable. The secret of sauce of steam lapu-lapu. Dato puti, very affordable with lemon. Now the lemon is, what did you call that?
Cheap.
Panahon, yung
Season.
Now is the season of the lemons. That's why very affordable. This one expensive if you buy big olive oil, but if you buy small, very affordable also. And the onion leaves. The onion leaves, the hard trunks is for the sauce. The soft one is for the presentation. You cut here and slice pino and put into the yellow or cold water. That's why it's so very press, looking press, like my wife, looking press. You know why? Because the moon is full, big. In English, full moon. Okay, stop.